up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caitlin, as you can tell. Still in my bedclothes, but I'm going outside. It's really windy, so we're gonna go outside. We're decorating for Christmas, so my mom's on the roof. Oh crap. Some stuff got blown over. Look, it's got blown over. He's on the side. So sometimes it'll just be like a little wind like normal, but like, sometimes you're like not even kidding, it will like knock you down. And the tree across the road fell over all the way almost. There's my mom. She's hanging our Christmas lights. I'll show you the tree. You gotta go back here to show you the tree. Where is it? Right there. Here. As you can see, that tree right there, it's like almost fallen over completely. And it is windy. You wanna know what I like doing? This is risking my life, but it's totally worth it. It is so much fun to do this. I stand on the edge of this rock, as you can see, and I just stand here, and sometimes the wind will do that. We have these bells and they keep clanging against the windows, and I'm like, shut up! It's not bad right now. It's not bad right now, it's just normal wind, but sometimes whoosh. It's really bad until I start filming to show you guys.
There goes that tree again.
That's
Where? Over across behind that brown and white house, like halfway forward.
You can hear it cracking. Listen real close. I literally just heard it crack. You guys might not be able to hear it, but it's like that's bad. This tree could fall over. Or like any of these trees that we have. We have one there, one over there. It's bad. Like, this is the most one we've had like all this year. I took my hair down so you guys can see how bad it is. I gotta run inside and throw this in the house real quick, my scrunchie. Holy crap, it's bad out there. There's a tree falling over across the street behind that brown and tan house. You can hear it. Going back out. Okay, it's not that bad right now. I bet like the fire department will have to come like pick it up. It's bad. Like that tree's like every 5 seconds. It's bad. Here, let's see if I can set you guys up on the bush. Maybe. No, that's not working. Here. Trying to get a thumbnail. What am I doing? Nothing. No? Yeah. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. I'll pick which one's the best. Holy crap, like my hair. It's a mess. Oh, that tree's about to fall. That tree would have fell straight. It would have landed on the I wasn't paying attention. Oh my gosh. That was bad. Hippity hop hop. That was bad. Holy crap. You want to see our sign that we have? Santa, stop here, please. I'm surprised it hasn't been like that. But then we have our liners. We're going to get another for that side. We just haven't got them yet. Here's our Christmas light. Holy crap! That tree is like about to go whoop. Guys, I'm gonna sit you up here and see if you guys like see what it looks like. That's perfect. That would be a perfect Instagram photo. What? What? I'm not. Hopefully that's the thumbnail. Ow, the bush just poked me. You're an idiot. Hey, Jalen, look. Look at my mom's lights. Do you need any more hooks? Oh, you have... Are you almost done? You still have a lot down here. Yeah, but you just have to click them. You have to like click them. Ah, shoot! Look at all these lights, y'all. I'm gonna tell Mom take your phone if you don't stop. I'm gonna set you guys back up in the bush. Hopefully it doesn't poke me this time. I'm falling into the bush. Ow! You shut up.
Hey, somebody unhooked me from the bush.
Her lights are on her bush. The lights are hooked on the bush. Pull them up. See our long, pretty lights. They're gonna get hooked on this bush. Here. Ouch. Stop. I'll show you if you don't stop.
Look at this. It's bruised.
I'll show them.
No, I said don't record me.
I wasn't recording you. I was recording your arm. It's starting to rain. Look, guys, it's raining. You guys probably can't tell, but my phone is soaked. Oh gosh, that tree. Where did? That tree just cracked again. If it would have fell straight forward, it probably would have I think we have a stray cat, Mom.
I hear it.
Yeah, I think it's an idiot cat.
The idiot would be your mom on top of the roof in the middle of a wind factory.
Hey, Mom. I love your hairdo. Literally, it's raining bad now. It's like you guys can literally like see the rain.
Okay.
If it starts pouring, I'm staying out here.
No, you're not.
Why?
I'm almost done.
Look, this tree. Oh my gosh, it's gonna fall.
Yeah, Siri, you can help. Hang these
Oh god, you guys can literally hear it. Like, Mom, you having fun? This is rain. This is bad. You guys can see the car. Like, you can see the water droplets on the car. Water droplets everywhere. Water droplets everywhere. Then we have this pole. What I do? Circle. My hair got in my mouth. Hopefully that's... I don't know what I'm gonna make the thumbnail. Sometimes I just let like the video pick its own thumbnail just to see what it turns out like. That one where I'm on the trampoline like what happened What happened? What? Oh. Here, want me to plug it in right here? We're about to plug in our Christmas lights.
Okay, that works. You want me to unplug it? You don't have to. It's up to you.
As you can see, they're so beautiful.
Oh, relax. I'll get up here and untangle them.
Sorry, guys. Wait. Shoot. Oh, let's see my mom. I'm gonna watch her get out the window. Gotta hurry up and run. He's on the roof right now. The wind's not being too bad right now, but knock on wood. Where is she? Where'd she go? Look at her, guys. Holy crap. That wind's bad. She's gonna get out that window. Those are the bells I was talking about. You good, Mom? Wait, I wanna see her get in. I gotta hurry up, take my shoes off, run in the house, watch her climb out the window.
Here.
Okay.
Take this. Take it.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna fucking break my coochie. Take it.
Mom.
Oh.
Honey, need help?
Huh?
Need help getting in?
Nah. I just won't break
She
my...
might fall.
Ooh, that's slick.
Yeah? Oh,
So glad you're okay.
Oh, shit, that's slick.
yeah. Might want to take off your shoes first.
I'm saying the roof is slick.
Yeah, it's wet.
Oh, shit.
She didn't die.
Oh.
Those bells are so annoying.
It's slick.
You good, Mom?
I'm good. Lights are up. We are holly jolly.
Are we?
At least your arm's not dead. Watch the tree fall while I was up there.
That is it for today, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.